I always get questions about the links from this course. And that's why I have this lecture, Important Links, and here you find, you guessed it right, important links for this course. Where to download Node, where to download NVM, the n8n webpage, n8n on GitHub, self-hosting on Render, DeepSeek, Grok, the OpenAI Playground, the Anthropic models with the API, the Google AI Studio, the Facebook Developer Console, the Google Cloud Console, Pinecone for our vector stores, Olama, the Botfather for Telegram, Firecrawl, Julia, PDF to Markdown, Llama Index, PDFs for Rack on GitHub, a Google Colab notebook that we will use later, everything about the n8n license, the GDPR and the AI Act for compliance, the LLM leaderboard, and a lot of software to build agents and AI automations like Zapier, Make, n8n, LangChain, LangFlow, Flowwise, and so on. So basically what I am recommending right now is to download this. So press here on this file, or you press here where resources is activated. You can simply press on it, press on this once again. This thing will get downloaded automatically, and then you have a PDF, and I would recommend you to leave this PDF on your PC, and you will find every link that I use over this course in no time whatsoever in one single file. This is the easiest way. And now you know where to find all of these links. And every time you find once again downloads in later sections, these are most likely JSON workflows, or sometimes links to a GPT from me.